Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Apex Duoclean is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly vacuum cleaners on the market. Its innovative Duoclean technology effortlessly transitions between different floor types, making it a great choice for homes with both carpets and hard floors. With powerful suction and a lightweight design, it offers a superior cleaning experience, easily tackling dirt and debris. Plus, its anti-allergen seal and HEPA filter ensure that it captures allergens and keeps your home fresh. Number 5. Shark Rotator Apex Duoclean Filters. These filters are designed for Shark Rotator Apex Duoclean vacuums. They are compatible with multiple models, ensuring a perfect fit for your machine. This set includes everything you need to keep your vacuum running smoothly. These filters work with a wide range of Shark models, including NV650, NV651, NV652, NV750, NV751, NV752, and more. Check the full list to ensure it fits your specific vacuum model. It's a versatile solution for many Shark owners. The package contains 2 HEPA filters and 4 foam filters. The HEPA filters are made with high-efficiency materials. This combination ensures thorough cleaning and improved air quality in your home. The HEPA filters use H12 filter material to trap allergens. The foam filters have a density of 60 ppm. Together, they capture dust and particles effectively, making your home cleaner and healthier. These filters are washable and reusable, saving you money. Simply rinse them and let them dry completely before putting them back in. This extends the life of the filters and reduces waste. These filters are 100% compatible with your original machine. They are designed to work seamlessly with your Shark vacuum. You can be confident in their performance and reliability. What we like. This filter set includes HEPA filters made of H12 filter material, which efficiently traps allergens. They are also washable and reusable, saving you money. If you are looking for a cost-effective and allergy-reducing solution, you should consider these filters. What people say. These actually work and fit well. I was very impressed. Fits my machine well. Fits my Shark vac perfectly, extends the life of it. Fresh new filter is like a new vacuum cleaner. Number 4. Leadaybetter filters for Shark Apex Duoclean. Are you looking for replacement filters for your Shark Apex Duoclean vacuum? This set is designed specifically for models AX950, AX951, AZ1000, AZ1000W, and AZ1002. It's the perfect solution to keep your vacuum running smoothly. These filters are made from high-density materials with H12 efficiency. They significantly improve your vacuum's performance, ensuring a cleaner home. This is the best choice for keeping your house clean. Is your vacuum not performing as well as it used to? Dirty filters are often the culprit. These filters are washable and reusable. Simply rinse them with water and let them dry completely before reusing. The package includes 2 black filters, 4 foam and felt filters, and 1 brush roll. This comprehensive set will last you up to 6 months, saving you both money and time. You'll love how easy they are to use and clean. We are committed to providing you with excellent service. If you have any questions about these replacement filters, you'll receive a response within 24 hours. We are here to help you solve any issues. What we like. This replacement set includes filters, foam, felt filters, and a brush roll, offering a comprehensive solution. They are made of high-quality materials, ensuring efficient cleaning. If you want a complete, easy-to-maintain set, you should consider this one. What people say. The Duoclean feature is a game-changer. The vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver. The suction power is excellent. Number 3. Smilefil UV700 Replacement Brush Roll for Shark. These replacement brush rolls are designed for several Shark Apex and Duoclean vacuum models. They are compatible with models like AX950, AZ1000, and NV830. Make sure to check your model number for a perfect fit. It's important to confirm that your vacuum model is listed. This brush roll is only compatible with the specified models. Double-check your model number and the brush roll size before you buy it. The UV700 replacement brush rolls are made from high-quality, durable materials. This ensures long-lasting performance and a perfect fit for your Shark vacuum. You can count on it to keep your floors clean. Each package comes with 2 soft brush rollers and a cleaning tool. This provides great value and convenience for maintaining your vacuum. You'll have everything you need to keep your vacuum running smoothly. Replacing the brush roll is quick and easy. Simply remove the old one and snap the new one into place. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace it every 3 to 6 months. What we like. This brush roll is made of premium materials, ensuring durability and effective cleaning. It is easy to replace, keeping your vacuum running smoothly. If you like a hassle-free replacement with a cleaning tool included, you should consider this brush roll. What people say. Works well, fits well. No issues. Easy to replace and work great. Makes our Shark just like brand new. Number 2. Shark Apex and Duoclean Vacuum Brush Roll Replacement. This replacement brush roll is designed for Shark Apex and Duoclean vacuums. It fits models like AX950, AZ1000, and NV830 series. Ensure it's the right fit for your vacuum. The soft brush roller is approximately 270 mm 10.62 inches long. It's made from premium materials and designed to perfectly fit your Shark Apex self-cleaning brush roll. Replacing the brush roll is simple. Just remove the old one and snap the new one in place. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace the brush roll every 3 to 6 months. This will help maintain your vacuum's cleaning efficiency. The package includes 2 soft brush rollers and 1 cleaning tool. Get everything you need to keep your vacuum running smoothly. What we like. This brush roll is made of premium material, perfectly fits your Shark Apex. It is easy to replace, keeping your vacuum running smoothly. If you want a hassle-free replacement with a cleaning tool included, you should consider this brush roll. What people say. Fit perfectly. Exactly what I wanted. Worked perfectly on my Shark vacuum. Super easy to install. This brush roll is exactly the same as the original one that came with my vacuum. It is soft and easy to clean. Number 1. Shark Apex Duoclean Vacuum Replacement Belts. These replacement belts are designed for Shark Apex Duoclean upright vacuums. They are compatible with multiple models, ensuring a perfect fit for your vacuum cleaner. This makes sure it works like new. Made of elastic rubber, this belt is built to last. The flexible design ensures it can handle the demands of regular vacuuming. This will help your vacuum cleaner work more efficiently. Replacing the belt is simple and quick. Just remove the old belt and put the new one in its place. This will bring your vacuum cleaner back to life in minutes. For best results, replace the belt every 3 to 9 months. This will help maintain the vacuum's suction power. It also helps with the overall cleaning performance. Each package includes 2 replacement belts. This ensures you have a spare on hand. This will keep your vacuum running smoothly. What we like. These replacement belts are compatible with a wide range of Shark Apex models. They are made of durable and flexible rubber for long-lasting performance. If you are experiencing issues with your vacuum's belt, you should consider these replacement belts. What people say. The Duoclean feature is a game changer. The vacuum is very easy to maneuver. The suction is great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.